Okay, so this is the Touch 48 alcohol markers, and if you are a beginner, this video is literally for you because they are pretty affordable. I have put the link in the description if you wanna check them out. I am going to test every color, both tips, the ink flow and everything. तो चलो टेस्ट करके देखते हैं. So the packaging quality is actually pretty good. Now let's talk about the tips. These are dual tip markers. So you get two different tips in one marker. This one is the chisel tip, which is great for covering bigger areas, and the other one is the pointed tip, which is better for a small details. And here I have made my own color swatch. The set does come with a color catalog, but I would still recommend making your own swatch once you get the markers. Because when you actually use every color yourself and compare it with the cap, you can see much better whether the color is really matching or not. So I tested all the colors and honestly I really like the set. They match the colors on the caps really well and every set is different. So you get a really nice color range. Few tips felt a little rough, one felt slightly dry, but most of them were really smooth, and on this paper there was no ink showing on the back. Here I am using these colors to draw Spider-Man just to see how well they blend. And honestly, if you are a beginner, I think this set is a really good option. It's affordable, easy to use, and you get a lot of different sets. The price is rupees 200 only, so you can check the link in my description below. Overall, for the price, I think they are definitely worth buying, especially if you are a beginner. And if you want a full beginner's guide on how to use these markers and blend properly, just comment blend below. I'll see you in the next one.